Active noise cancellation, or ANC, has become a big selling feature in Bluetooth earbuds, mainly because of our need to block out the outside noise from our calls and our listening experience. Well, today I'm reviewing the X6 by Ugreen, and it just might fit the bill, so stay tuned.
Nico knows tech, all your tech tips and reviews on deck. Nico knows tech, #1 channel with the news on check.
I get sent a lot of Bluetooth earbuds for review, and most of them simply don't make it on the channel, and that's because they don't impress me enough. But when I tried the Ugreen X6 for the first time, I was first impressed with the specs on paper, but also that the ANC actually works. The other thing that impressed me was the price. They were priced at $65.99 when I first looked at them. However, during my talks with Ugreen, they're offering you a special price of $35.99 if you use the link in description and with the included coupon code. And before we get started, cue the unboxing montage. If you're not familiar with Ugreen, they're a company best known for making external USB enclosures for SSDs, hard drives, and more, as well as their USB hubs and chargers and other nice items like that. Now, starting with the charging case, we have a minimalist, kind of a more mature design, less gamey, less lights on it. We do have the USB indicator right here, which is typical of Ugreen products. The top of the case is magnetized, so it will stay closed with a nice firm magnetic touch there. And then the earbuds are charged inside the base. This is not something new, but what is new is that this will provide an average of 26 hours of total playtime. I got about 6 hours per charge, but you could charge it many times. I got an average of 4 full charges. And something nice about it is that you can charge it for 10 minutes, and then you'll get a full 2 hours of playtime on the earbuds. Now the drivers are 10mm DLC, capable of a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response range. Now, the earbuds themselves are remarkably comfortable. They go in here just like that, and like so. There's several ear tips that are included to fit different types of ears, but I found that the ones that were stock were really good, and they are very comfortable. They don't fall out, very secure, but they don't feel tight, and they don't hit any parts of the cartilage of my ear. Overall, they're almost would fall under comfort buds. Now if you press and hold on the touch panel here for a couple seconds, it will say in your headphones ANC on. Now ANC is active noise cancellation, which is going to listen to the outside noise with its 6 microphones and reproduce it inside your headphones at 180 degrees out of phase, effectively canceling the noise from the outside. Now if you tap twice on the right earbud, it will increase the volume of what you're listening to. If you tap twice on the left earbud, it will reduce the volume. However, if you tap 4 times on either earbud, it will activate gaming mode, which is a low latency mode of 50 milliseconds. Now, the charging base is charged by USB-C. I found that it only takes a couple hours to fully charge it, and that will give you 26 hours of playtime. What I didn't particularly like was the fact that when you have it plugged into USB-C, it won't simultaneously charge your earbuds. So I did have to unplug it from the USB-C for it to charge the earbuds inside. Now the active noise cancellation works remarkably well. They advertise that it reduced 90% of outside noise. However, I found that about 30% of it was reduced by passive isolation of just having the earbuds block out sound by being in your ear, but I did find a 60% reduction from the active noise cancellation by having them in my ears and then turning on some white noise or airplane noise, even outside music. I was able to press and hold, activate active noise cancellation, and it had a reduction of an additional 60%. So that 90% is accurate, but it's not from just the technology, but it is true because it is coming from the earbud. Now, regarding the sound of the X6, the first thing you'll notice is it has a quite pronounced punchy bass. It's not muddy or dull, and it's always present. Even when there shouldn't be bass, there is bass. So you'll find a bit of a sub bass added to the beginning of tracks, even if there's a piano, which I found to be an exciting listening experience. The highs and mids are in the right places. It is a bit of a V shape, but overall it is a good listening experience, and I didn't miss out on any of the details, especially considering that they're Bluetooth earbuds and not full-size hi-fi cans. Now, while the X6 are not breaking any boundaries as far as hi-fi sound goes, they do sound good. And considering that these are in the 65 and under range, these are punching significantly above their weight class as far as sound quality, features, and ANC. Now, my overall opinion of the X6 is that they're a no-nonsense, quality, good priced, and good sounding set of earbuds that also provide an impressive ANC. So if you're looking for a quality set of earbuds that won't break the budget and also are going to sound good, perform good, and also are comfortable, then they might be the product for you. The people that I think might not enjoy them too much are people that don't like a lot of bass. It's not overly bassy, but it's always there, and even if you try to reduce it with the EQ, the drivers are designed to provide a bit of punch. Which earbuds are your favorite? Tell about it in the comment section. Hope you found this review helpful. If you want to pick up this product, you can get it at the link in description. Don't forget to use my coupon code for the best price. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see you next time.